Hi everyone and welcome to PINAY Figure Fitness, the Philippine fitness channel. I am Rachel and today we will just do a 10-minute good morning floor workout. No equipment, no yawning. This morning workout routine has 10 floor exercises, each for 45 seconds and followed by 15 seconds rest. There is full instruction from myself throughout this at-home morning workout and demo videos and timers so it's easy to follow. So if you are ready for this 10-minute full body morning stretch and train workout, then let's begin. I'll talk to you again at the end. Open leg stretch. Sit with your legs apart in front of you and stretch to your left, center, and right. Begin open leg stretch. Just sit up and open your legs. Stretch your arms out in front of you and bend down and push them forward. Keep your hands together and push yourself forward to stretch and touch both feet and the floor at your center. Halfway now. Keep going, everyone. Just some nice gentle stretching to wake up our bodies and to loosen them up. Keep doing that stretching. 10 seconds left and 9 exercises to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and rest for 15 seconds. Dog stretch. Get on all fours and push your core up and down slowly and hold. Begin dog stretch. Get on all fours, engage your core and push your stomach up and down slowly and hold. Using your abs to lift and lower your stomach, make sure you keep your muscles squeezed to get all the benefit. Keep going, halfway through now. Just keep pushing up your core and lowering it slowly. Make sure you keep your abs squeezed. 10 seconds left and 8 exercises remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and rest for 15 seconds. Oblique stretch. Lie flat on your back and slide your hands down your sides slowly. Begin oblique stretch. Engage your core here. Lie flat on your back with your hands by your sides. Keep your back straight and slowly slide your hands down the side of your legs as far as you can, only raising up your shoulders slightly. Halfway now, keep going. Some nice gentle stretching to get our bodies loosened up and ready for the day. Just keep on stretching. 10 seconds left and 7 more exercises to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and rest. Bird dog reach and crunch. Get on all fours, stretch out an arm and the opposite leg. Bring them back and crunch. Begin bird dog reach and crunch. Engage your whole body. We will change legs halfway. Get on all fours and stretch out a leg and the opposite arm. Bring back your knee and elbow beneath your body and pull them next to each other and crunch. Change legs halfway through now. Just stretch your arms and legs out as far and as high as you can to stretch right through your back. 10 seconds left and 6 exercises remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and rest. Back and forward stretch. Push your butt fully back to stretch, then push your body forward to stretch your back. Begin back and forward stretch. Engage your whole body, get on all fours, and then push your butt fully back and downwards. Keeping your hands where they are, push your body fully forward so you are lying on your legs and push your back up to stretch. Halfway now, just keep going. A very simple movement but a great all-round stretching exercise. Just do this movement slowly. 10 seconds left and 5 exercises remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and rest. Alternating leg touch. Lie flat on your back, swing up a leg and your arms to touch. Begin alternating leg touch. Engage your legs, thighs and abs. Lie flat on your back and raise up a leg fully and at the same time raise up your arms to touch. Keep your head and neck on the floor and bring back your leg to touch it. Halfway through now, keep going. Just keep alternating your legs and keep your legs straight. Just keep working. 10 seconds left and 4 exercises remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and rest. Single leg back stretch. Stretch one leg fully back and push up your torso to stretch your back. Begin single leg back stretch. Engage your whole body. We will change legs halfway. Stretch back a leg fully and support your upper body with your arms. Push and stretch back your torso to stretch your back and your back leg. Change legs halfway through now. This is an intense stretch, so just do this movement slowly and do not overstretch. Keep on working. 10 seconds left and 3 more exercises to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and rest. Leg stretch with crunch. Get on all fours, push a leg back and high, then bring your knee forward to crunch. Begin leg stretch with crunch. Get on all fours, engage your legs, thighs and abs. Stretch back a leg fully and push it upwards as high as you can. Bring your leg down and push your knee forward below your body and do a crunch. Make sure you alternate legs. Halfway now, stretching your legs and back and working on your legs, thighs and butt here. So push up your legs as high as you can. 10 seconds left and 2 more exercises to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and rest. Knee pullbacks. Lie on your back, lift up both legs slightly, bring back a knee and stretch. Begin knee pullbacks. Engage your legs, thighs and abs. Lie flat on your back and raise both legs slightly off the ground. Pull back a knee and grab it and pull it down and backwards. You should feel this stretch on your upper leg. Keep on going, halfway through now. Make sure you don't rest your legs on the floor and make sure you stretch both legs. 10 seconds left and final exercise is next. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and rest. Push up stretch. Lie on your front with your hands by your shoulders and push up and stretch. Begin push-up stretch. Engage your whole body. Lie down on your front with your hands on the floor by your shoulders. Push up your upper body with your arms. Keep your legs on the floor and stretch back your torso. Then go back down. Keep going. This is the final exercise now, so we are nearly finished. Don't overdo this stretch. Keep on going till the end. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and finish. Just a nice simple morning routine to wake you up and prepare for the day. Bye! Mwah. Hi again! I really hope you enjoyed this 10-minute full body, no equipment workout. 10-minute morning workout with me. This 10-minute stretch and train routine is designed to gently work your body and wake you up. It's better than hitting the snooze button. This morning workout, morning stretch is brought to you by PINAY Figure Fitness, not an American fitness channel or a Europe fitness channel, but a Philippines fitness channel. Please repeat this follow-along workout every morning. And please see all my other galleries and workouts here. And I'll post new videos every Saturday and Sunday. Please also join me on my live streams every weekend. The details are on my Facebook. See my social media links below. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to PINAY Figure Fitness, the Philippine fitness channel. Take care and stay safe, everyone. Bye!